Looking for sheet pans? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 best sheet pans available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect sheet pans for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 7 on our list, we have the Nordic Ware Natural Aluminum Commercial Baker's Half Sheet. Aluminum baking sheets are a kitchen staple. While some are fragile and inexpensive, some are industrial quality, which means they are heavier and more durable. They've rolled, encased steel rims for even better performance. They won't bend or twist in normal use, and they won't corrode or rust. Reviewers praised the pans for their durability and resistance to warping. However, some pointed out that the area of the pans, where the business emblem is embossed, is more difficult to clean. These half-sheet pans are the most common size in home kitchens, but they're also available in quarter-sheet sizes for smaller amounts or countertop ovens. These are made in the United States and must be cleaned by hand. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 6 on our list, we have the Chicago Metallic Professional Non-Stick Cooking Baking Sheet. The Chicago Metallic Non-Stick Baking Sheet Pan is perfect for baking and cooking of all kinds. Bake jelly rolls, bars, cookies, one-sheet pan dinners, roast veggies, or reheat leftovers with ease. Regardless of what you're cooking, the heavyweight carbon steel in this pan is perfect for evenly spreading heat and weight. Not to mention the fact that this pan comes with a 25-year guarantee. Imagine how many batches of cookies that is. The baking sheet is composed of heavy-gauge carbon steel, which distributes weight and heat evenly for reliable baking results. Suitable for all types of ovens. At number 5 on our list, we have the Nordic Ware Naturals Big Baking Sheet. The most popular baking sheet on Amazon is the larger version of this sheet pan, which has been mentioned several times. When compared to the half sheet, it has a 35% greater surface area. Although the list claims to suit all conventional oven sizes, you may want to quantify first if you live in a flat or have a smaller than average oven. A pan with an extra large capacity contains more food than a regular sheet pan, allowing you to bake more in each batch. Aluminum's excellent heat conductivity allows foods to bake and brown evenly. The enclosed steel rim is reinforced to prevent warping and provide strength. At number 4 on our list, we have the Farberware Ceramic Non-Stick Bakeware Non-Stick Cookie Sheet Baking Sheet. Ceramic baking pans are known for their long durability and non-stick surfaces, and this Farberware cookie sheet is no exception. It can endure baking temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit thanks to its quilted surface, which allows for uniform heat dispersion. When it comes to the many features that reviewers cite as reasons for using this cookie sheet, they particularly like how easy it is to clean. At number 3 on our list, we have the Bakeware Non-Stick Cookie Pan Set. Rachael Ray is a well-known name in the bakeware market. This is only due to the fact that they produce high-quality bakeware that will enhance your baking experience. The finest feature of this pan is the non-stick, anti-rust, and heat-conducting material. Cleaning is a breeze with this non-stick coated steel sheet pan. Its anti-rust design makes it ideal for long-term use, and the heat is properly distributed to ensure that your veggies are cooked evenly. This pan's edges are beautifully constructed to decrease wrap. Oven temperature maximum is 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The pan has traction-able handles that make it easy to carry. Each of the 3 strands in the set has a different size. A 9-inch x 13-inch cookie pan is one of them. A 10-inch x 15-inch pan is another option, as is a large 11-inch x 17-inch cookie pan. At number 2 on our list, We have the Taste of Home 18x13-inch baking sheet. We recommend this 18-13-inch Taste of Home baking sheet with a wire cooling rack from our toaster set for biscuits, muffins, and other baked goods. This sheet pan gets a lot of marks for longevity because to the heavy gauge metal. According to Farmer, while virtually all baking sheets bend and twist in the oven, only heavy gauge baking sheets return to their original shape after heating. Furthermore, the baking sheet's patterned surface encourages airflow, which aids baking. This baking sheet, like virtually everything else in the Taste of Home cookware and bakeware set, is non-stick. It may be washed in the dishwasher, however we prefer hand cleaning. However, our sheet pan isn't up to the task of baking under the broiler, and finally at number 1 on our list. We have the OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro Half Sheet. With this sheet pan, made of aluminized steel with a light beige finish, your cookies will not stick or over brown. For durability and scratch resistance, the double-layered covering is reinforced with ceramic. The micro-textured design decreases surface contact while improving airflow for uniform baking and smooth cookie discharge. It prevents staining and keeps the steel from corroding. The square rolled edges look contemporary and provide strength to the pan, preventing warping, while the border also provides a secure grip for easy removal from the oven. The pan is dishwasher safe, but the coating makes hand washing a breeze. Once you've fallen in love with this pan, you can add other pieces of bakeware to your collection with the same features for a complete set. Every piece contains measurement marks, ensuring that you have the correct pan size for your recipe. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.